What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Legend, aka Just a Reflection of You. Today I got forced inside nature, but it's probably the best thing I did today. Sat still, enjoyed the flow. I'm enjoying the water now. I got my feet in the water. I want to show y'all, but I ain't gonna show you these feet now. But you always hear like, man, go ahead and walk in nature. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. If you walk in nature, you gonna feel different. You gonna feel the vibe. You gonna feel the flow. And you know, I haven't walked in nature in a minute. I got my own vibe. I got my own flow. And you know, my flow won't always there today. Won't at its highest, even though I kept it positive and everything like that. But I walked in. I walked outside, man. I walked in surrounding area. I just automatically started feeling better. I didn't care what was going on, what was happening out here, and everything like that. Outside of me, that is. I was in the present. I was in the now. Well, I'm in it now still, but I'm just in the moment. And this couldn't be like one of the best moments, to experience at this given time. I know a lot of people don't get these moments, got the workflow going, the hustle, the grind, the family, the friends, the games. But it's always good to reset and retune your flow, your vibe, your body, your spirit, your mind. Just always constantly running, especially if you don't know how to stop it. Shut it down. I would say, everybody, man, if you can't go inside nature, bring nature inside of you. No matter whether you get a plant, get like this little water thing, remind you of some rocks. Get that sound going. Until you're able to really step inside and see what it is, go ahead and bring that inside of you. I listened to this podcast today, Black Magic 365. Shout out to you. Shout out to the brother 19 Keys. That was my first time really knowing about him and seeing how he go. But he brought up an interesting point when it came to, stepping inside nature. We really don't see ourselves out here. And so when I walked out here, for my first time coming outside in my nature spot, I ain't really see myself out here neither. I was really big of a minority over here. So yeah, I only saw one brother. And it gave me, peace of mind. Like, we out here, we representing. He out here jogging. But, if this is supposed to be where we came from when we first started, our natural habitat, I should expect to see more of us out here, man. Resetting ourselves, getting our vibe together. Getting right. Shout out to my special friend for bringing me out here. I appreciate it. But also, happy birthday. It's coming up. But yeah, Step back in nature, man, or at least bring it inside of you. At least learn about the elements, learn about how they affect you, learn what you are. Most importantly, don't let the elements take control of you. You take control of the elements. You have the power. The power is inside of you. Now, what you gonna do with it? How you gonna use it? Not even to help Earth, not even to help others per se, but to help yourself. Get yourself back right. Get yourself back balanced. Get yourself back focused. And what it is that, you know what I'm saying, you came to do inside your journey. That's my message for today. That's it. Nature's a hell of a force, man. I'm trying to tell you. You got that same force within inside you. I gotta go because these bugs are just, you know what I'm saying, they killing, they about to attack everything. I ain't got time for it. But I do got time for nature. Alright, y'all, I'm out. This is Legend here, aka Just a Reflection of You. Peace.